But the UPS guy just came and brought me something. It's from JC-LGL. It's a 30,000 lumens work light. Wouldn't have come at a better time. 250 watts LED. What? Incredible. This thing is huge.
That's what she said.
So it's perfect timing. It is getting dark. If I wanted to work outside, I have a new work light now. You just plug it in. Holy cow! Oh my god! Oh my god, I'm blind! Holy jeez. This is incredible. Now that is bright. And a couple of carabiners. So you can hang it on your Raptors. That is super bright. If you guys are interested in one of these temporary work lights, go check the link in the description. I'm going to try to get as close as possible so you can see what they look like. There you go. Now that I'm blind. Great work light for the garage.